Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening System Settings now. Click the Apple menu and choose System Settings. You need basic prerequisites, an admin account and the Mac unlocked, because changing language requires system privileges. Once opened, locate the sidebar and scroll to General, then Language and Region. On older Mac OS, it's Language and Region directly in System Preferences. This gets you straight into the control panel that lists preferred languages and regional formats. Once in Language and Region, add the language. Click the plus sign, search, or scroll, and choose the variant you need. This matters for regional spellings and formats. After adding, drag that language to the top to make it primary. The system prompts you to restart apps or log out. You do this because Mac OS applies language preferences per app and system-wide differently, so prioritizing ensures menus, dialogues, and keyboard suggestions use the new language consistently. Finally, accept the confirmation prompt and restart or log out to apply the change. Some apps require a full reboot to show translated menus. Once back, verify by opening Finder, System Settings, and several apps to confirm the new language and regional formats took effect. If a specific app still shows the old language, change its per-app language in Settings or reinstall the app. If the system refuses to switch, try reinstalling the language pack or resetting NVRAM. This fixes persistent local cache issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.